How to add free shipping on Shopify. Now, my name is Krause and in today's tutorial I will actually show you how to add a free shipping option on your products. We are going to go over how to actually just create a normal free shipping option and how to then actually also create a free shipping option depending on the actual price of your product. So to get started, you do want to head over to the general Shopify dashboard and then click on the settings right here on the bottom left. Navigate to shipping and delivery right here, and right here you're then going to be greeted with this menu. Now if you are a beginner, this can look quite intimidating, but basically what you will have to do, just click on general shipping rates right here. And then you are going to see your different kind of shipping zones. Now, in this case, I've already set this up in one of my previous videos. So if you do want to set up the general shipping options, make sure to watch my previous tutorial on this. But in this case, you are going to have two different shipping zones. First off, domestic, then also international right here. And we can actually add rates to both of these. So let's, for example, say that we do want to add a free shipping rate for our domestic option. In this case, we will just have to click on add rate right here. Then as for the shipping rate, we will just leave this at custom. As for the rate name, I will just name this free shipping, or actually just make this normal like this. Then as for the custom delivery description, we can just leave this blank for now. And then price would be $0 for free shipping. However, if you do want to actually add a condition onto this, you will just have to click on this button, and then we can actually put in the free shipping dependent on either weight or price. Now what I would recommend you to do is to actually change this to based on order price, and right here you can then set a minimum price for this free shipping rate to actually apply. So in this case, if we were going to set this at $90, free shipping is only going to be applied to the customer when they are going to purchase goods worth more than $90 in this case. We all know that starting a successful Shopify store can be super hard. That's why I'm right now giving out my Shopify course for completely free. Now you're going to learn everything needed to actually streamline your Shopify success in that exact course. So make sure to click on the link down below to get started.